The Session View is an interface unique to Live that allows you to create your ideas using clips. In this video, let's take a look in some more detail how this works. Most digital audio workstations allow you to arrange music along a timeline. In Live, the Session View does away with this traditional principle, and you have a non-linear way of working with music. The Session View works with a basic unit called a clip. A clip can either be audio or MIDI. The length of a clip is up to you. Audio clips can be as short as a one-shot sample or as long as an entire song. MIDI clips could be a short phrase that's recorded or an entire solo take. You could also see clips as little containers of audio or MIDI that play one-shots or just loop the material that they contain. Although a clip looks like a single block of color within the Session View, in the Detail view, you can see whether the clip is an audio clip or a MIDI clip. In my browser, I have an audio clip that I'm going to load up into my session, simply by dragging and dropping it into an empty space. To play a clip, I simply click on the triangle within the clip, and that will start playback. I'll now navigate to track 3, which has my drum rack device. To start this clip, I'll click the triangular icon in the clip as before. What's really interesting to note about playing clips in the Session View is that they will all launch in sync according to a global quantization. I'll continue to launch a few more clips. All clips launch in sync. This is a great feature of the Session View because as you play more and more musical elements using clips, the result is in itself musical. So triggering clips in the Session View also lends itself well to performance. If I'd like to stop a clip, I simply have to click on the square icon in an empty space within that particular track. In the Session View, a row of clips is known as a scene. A scene can be launched, just like individual clips, in sync. To launch a scene, I can go to the master track and click on the scene launch icon. The Session View is all about staying in the flow of your creation or performance. If I want to add more elements to my current session, I can do so simply by dragging and dropping things from the browser. So to start off, I'll take a sample and drag it into the empty space. This will create a track and a clip that I can launch in sync. Each audio or MIDI track in the Session View has its own mixing section, where I can adjust volume, panning, mute tracks, solo tracks, arm tracks for recording, and use sends to send the audio from that track to a return track with an audio device on it. In addition to adding sounds in the form of clips or samples directly to the Session View, I can also add instrument devices or audio effect devices. So I'm going to add an EQ8 to my drums. To stop all clips that are playing, I can go to the master track and click on the square icon to stop them all.